Hey, welcome, sir.
Sorry.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Our chief guest has already arrived, so I request all the students to come and take their respective seats.
Welcome, dear chiefs. We will sing a happy song to you, chief guests, who have come here today. It's a joy, joy, joy. Don Bosco High School. Sound your number loud and clear. 1, 2. For whenever you come, you will always know that you're welcome, most welcome here. Bells will ring, God blessing on this bright and sunny day. Oh yes, oh yes. It's a joy, joy, joy. Don Bosco High School. Sound out your number loud and clear. 1, 2. For whenever you come, you will always know that you're welcome, most welcome here. We rejoicing and shout to welcome you here today. Oh yes, oh yes. It's a joy, joy, joy. Don Bosco High School. Shout out your number loud and clear. 1, 2. For whenever you come, you will always know that you're welcome, most welcome here. Welcome, dear chief guest.
Thank you, students, for presenting the welcome song. Present the welcome speech.
Very good morning to all of you. I am extremely happy to stand here to welcome our honorable chief guest, Deputy Inspector General of CRPF, Anil Brist, whom I knew few months ago, and we are quite friends now by now. And when I approached him, he just said, okay, I'll be there on that day. Just give me the timetable. And today he arrived maybe 10 minutes advance. So sir, I welcome you to this school on this day of annual sports inauguration and to be the chief guest. Then we have got another friend, another guest of honor, TK Lal, who is also a friend of ours, and they have been always responding to our invitation, and they are ready to come any moment to our schools. Sir, warm welcome to you also in this school compound. Then we have Father Celestine, Brother Sumit, who are part of this celebration today. I also welcome them. Then we have some guardians are also inside. I also welcome them to witness this opening ceremony. I also welcome our dear teachers. You will see who are going around with white cap on this occasion to bring law and order and conduct the sports events. Now, with these few words, without delaying, I once again tell you that these sports events for the school children is the most enjoyable event in the year. And students, all of you, you wait eagerly for this day, and this day has arrived today. And sports, you know, lot of competition, lot of thrill, and the best thing is to take part in the sports. Of course, one fellow will win first, all of us cannot. But then the greatest joy that you participate in the sports events, that will give you great joy. The secondly, respect each other, whatever, winner or loser. We should have that respect, cordial relationship. And this way, we promote the spirit of sports by creating a competitive spirit, cooperation, collaboration, and unity. And you will realize, after the sports events, our bond of unity does not decrease but increases. We know each other, the captains are there, they know how to organize the team. You will be enriched during these days in various events as you take part. So I wish all the best for the annual sports 2026, and may your sports be enjoyable and quite entertaining. And also I wish all the best those committees, sports committees, teachers, students. May God bless you to conduct these sports events, and may you enjoy conducting these sports events. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, Father, for giving us the now we have Balaji Nagaland.
We shall live in peace. shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, dear, in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free. The truth shall make us free someday. Oh, dear, in my heart, I do believe the truth shall make us free someday.
गुड मॉर्निंग भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की जय हिंद शाबाश गुड मॉर्निंग today it's a great occasion and I feel always happy to come to the school, especially when Father Augustine Topo gave me a call and wanted my consent. I gave it straight away and said definitely I going to come because it is the first occasion when I am coming to the school, Don Bosco, Sarupathar. And before I start, I would like to thank Father Augustine for the invitation. I'm so happy and delighted to see you all. And I wish you a very, very happy new year 2026. And I hope God Almighty bring all happiness, prosperity, health, growth and spirit of happiness everywhere, not only in the school, in the family also. Anil Bisht, I am the DIG in the group center which is in the Khatkati. I am working for Central Reserve Police Force, which is one of the largest paramilitary in the world, and it gives me immense pleasure and pride. And with me it's Mr. TK Lal, who is second in command, the staff officer to DIG range, who is looking after the operational part of it in the Golaghat and Bokajan area. Today, I would just like to say what Father Augustine has already said. Sports is very important and essential in the one's life, whether it is student, whether he's a grown-up or is an elderly man. Any part, any kind of sport is very important and one should play. पहले जब हम लोग छोटे थे आपकी तरह, when I was a kid like you, the saying used to be like, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब और खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब. The one who studies will going to rise. Those who play will not have a happy life. Right? He'll not be a successful man. It was the older saying. But now the saying is other way around. Those who play have a better scope in terms of their fitness, in terms of their mental health, in terms of coordination of body, reflexes, everything. Then you have an opportunity to join the forces, to join the defense, to join the any kind of government service, because the priority is always given to a sportsman who have certain achievement in their career, whether it is in school, whether it is in college, in terms of sports or NCC. Have you heard about NCC? No. It's a National Cadet Corps where you learn to be in uniform, where you learn, it's a pre-schooling for defense and paramilitary forces. You learn how to wear a uniform, you learn how to march, how to give a respect to the seniors and take from juniors, and social service to the nation. Okay, now it's an opportunity. It's a, as Father Augustine has already said, sports imbibe discipline, imbibe coordination, cooperation, leadership, team building, everything. So I'll request all the parents, all the teachers, the students should be encouraged to participate. And I also thank the Father Celestian, Brother Sumit, all the faculty, teachers, all the parents who have come, and the wonderful children who are studying in Don Bosco. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure. I also want to say, those who win, it's good for them, but participation is more important, and you should participate with your best of the efforts. Try to win the medals. If you don't, it's not a problem, because participation is important. You got it? Am I clear? Okay, जोर से. Good. Big clap. Now, I would like to declare the Sports Week 2026 open. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Yes.
Let's give a big clap.
Hey.
Students can stand up.
I do hereby solemnly swear to take part in Don Bosco High School Sports Meet 2026, abiding by all the rules and regulations are enforced. Violating any rules, I am liable to be punished by the sports authority deemed fit.
Thank you, sir. Now we have the march past, and for the march past, we have Teacher Lal as our judge, Father Celestial, and Brother Sumit, and Madam Hall.
दाहिना चलेगा, रेड हाउस आगे, ब्रेक, दाहिने मोड़, कैप्टन अपना अपना जगह लो।
a Bostonians, and I got a privilege to be in your midst. So I'm like, it's not like my family here. So it's give me immense pleasure. Once again, above all, I would like to thank the principal and all the fathers and brothers and all the staffs for being given the opportunity to be in your midst. Once again, thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Before I declare the result of the Mass Pass, I wish all the participants and all the staffs who are organizing, all the committee and the school management, whoever is here, all the best in your endeavors. Thank you. Now, let me, without any waste of time, let me proceed with the result. The performance, it's very good. Everybody has done their job. They march well. Since it is a kind of a competition, some marks has to be given. Somebody got, some team has got, some house has got better marks, some got a little bit less. But then, since it's a competition, the marks is given. So I'll declare. I'll declare from the last, from the fourth. All have performed well. There's no doubt about it. But then just a little bit combinations, your cooperations, you know, their uniformity, somewhere, somehow, some are lacking. That's why we have to give certain marks accordingly. So I'd start from the fourth. Fourth position is the Yellow House. They got 82 points. Yellow House has got 42 points. Then we have got the third position. That is, can you guess? Yes, somebody rightly guess it. It's Greenhouse with 87 points. Greenhouse has got the third position, that is with 87 points. Then we come for the runners-up, the second position. Can you guess? Yes, rightly guessed. Just Blue House, 90 points. Blue House has got 90 points. And for the last but not the least, the first, that is Red House. It has got 96 points. The coordinations, the Mass Pass, it's quite good. That's why they got first. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. And I congratulate you, the first, second, and third, and the fourth. Everyone, we congratulate. I congratulate each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, that team spirit has to be there. Okay, the team spirit. So today we are very much grateful to Sir Anil and Sir T.K. Lal for coming over here for the inauguration of this sports week. We are immensely and profoundly happy enough at this moment for being the participants of this sports week. And today we also have a great privilege to have Sir Anil and Sir T.K. Lal amongst us. So we would like to thank them for coming over here, and we express our joy and happiness for being with us today. And also I would like to thank Father Augustine, the principal of the school, who has invited them to come here, and also organizing this day as the sports week opened, and also the teachers, they're painstaking for organizing this event. I thank them all, as well as the students, all those who have performed the March Pass. We know the sport which helps us in our growth as well as in our fitness. It gives us a good help to tackle with any kind of situation. So that's why during this sports week, what I would like to suggest is you take part in all the sports. Full spirit. Give your full spirit for the performance. Whether you win or lose, that doesn't matter. But your performance, what will matter. So I'd like to suggest all of you to take active participate actively and enjoy this sports week. Then I would like to thank all the guardians here, those who have come over here to witness this event, and as well as the students for this great session, and also for this great time. And last but not the least, I would like to thank God for this beautiful time that He has given, beautiful weather to participate, and also all of you once again thank you for coming over here, and wish you all the best, and this hope you will enjoy in this sports week in this 2026. So all the best. Thank you.
আমাৰ লগত এটা ফটো মাৰিব লাগিছিলে
So now we'll have the 100-meter heat for both boys and girls. First we'll begin with the senior boys.